welcome back. You guys asked for it, so we do start the VS today. Today on the cards, off camera, I've already done spark plugs, but today, oil change. This is the car's first oil change in like 2 years, and I had one of the MACE Engineering 69mm throttle bodies. No, here we go. MACE Engineering 69mm throttle body. Just had it lying around, so why not chuck it on this thing? So yeah, as I said, I've done plugs already. Let's get this thing going. Get this thing up in the air. Okay. Always use jack stands, kids. Okay, 19mm. Reasonably clean. Some plugs still safe because I gotta reuse it. Look at that pour. Beautiful. Okay, sump plug goes back in. Good now. Also make sure you don't tighten it. You should just do a finger tie like that, so you can still do that. Then you're done for that. Next is the oil filter. Alright. It's just about to come off. There we go. Let it all drip. Yep. Do what you gotta do. There we go. Alright. We are using a Ryko filter. 754. I won't be able to show in the video, but I'm going to dab my finger in that oil pan and leave this over so it gets a good seal and gets on there just nicely. Bit of oil around the seal. Get this bugger on there. Just want the oil filter to be loose enough that you can just move it around freely. Okay, we're filling this thing up with only the finest Castrol 1040 Magnatech. Cost me $29. Okay. Dump close to the 5-litre bottle in. Alright. All serviced. Okay, so we got the VS, is oil changed. I'm sure it's going to be very happy with that. Tomorrow we will be putting the throttle body on, and then we can get it started, take it for a drive, see how it goes. Okay, today, throttle body's going on. Quick look at the setup here. Tool chest, the VY, and the VS. It's basically swapping the throttle body over. Now it's been serviced, had new plugs. Should run pretty good, so we can take it for a quick rip and see how it goes. 8mm. Pop this hose off. Alright, let's see what we're working with. This little bugger's coming off. And it's simple as just these two plugs. Off it come. Get it out of the way. These are done. Pop this little hose off. There's a 13mm right there. There's another one under there. I'm not sure what you can see here, but there's a couple of little 10mm here. Then the throttle body will come off. Slap the new one on. We'll have to put one of the sensors in. Then we should be good to start her up, take her for a drive. Okay, I'm just going to start with this little hose clamp, just 6mm. Off it comes, pretty easy. Normally there are 3. I've only got 2, so that will do. Next, the 13s. Do not drop this because that will be a bugger to try and find. Alright, the throttle body is about to come off. Alright, one thing I do want to show you is the linkages. But there's one here and one here. This one just slides. Just pull it out of the way. Pops off. Next one you have to kind of like twist and pull because it's on a ball. So it comes off like that. Then that, here's your throttle body. Off. Easy as that. This one is much larger, especially when you look at it from the back. See, there's a step where this, if you can see, it's a bit of a step there, whereas if you look at this one, it is just about flush. So there is a pretty big difference. Okay, so everything is just going back in reverse, so I'm just going to put this on fast forward. Okay, all installed now. All that's left, move this out of the way and give it a good test. Dickhead. Okay, this car is a pig, so it is just a joy to drive. But this is definitely a good baseline to start with. I feel like it has a little bit more pull. Nothing major. But that throttle body is definitely like not a waste of time. What did it take? 5-10 minutes? It's a healthy little Ecotec. Is it as fast as the L67? God no, no way. But this is a completely different car. It's got the 5-speed. It's just raw. episode 1. It was good to get back on the tools with this car and have a glimpse at what's to come for it. If you're still watching to this far, thank you, and let me know what it is you want to see with this car next. See you later.